Hey guys, this is one video, repair video I wasn't ever thinking I'd be making. This is the handle from my RAV4's glove box that I ripped off. It was the only way that I could actually get into my glove box. And the reason why is that the lock wouldn't turn anymore. I put something in it and went home afterwards and stuck the key in, and the darn thing wouldn't turn. So, of course, I had to get into the glove box. So, I ripped the handle off, complete with the lock, and was able to get in by sliding my finger up into what was left and open the glove box. And this is how I ended up fixing this lock and how it works. So first we got to get that lock out of there. Now I've already fixed this, so I'm just gonna go over what I did, because who knew all that time watching lockpicking lawyer would actually come in handy. So first we got to get the lock out of here. So we lift this up. I think I actually have to. Wait a minute. I think I had to spread all of this apart and whatnot. Oh yeah, that's what I did. I had to pull this out first. Yeah. And then this came out. Oh no. Come into focus. There we go. Okay. And then with that removed, I could drop that. So the problem was, and it's actually showing it, kind of. These wafers come in hand. There we go. I think they're called trap doors. When you would stick the key in, now see, this one works now, but see how they pop out? Oop. Darn it. I gotta leave that in there so it doesn't fall out. But the problem was is that these, one of them was stuck and this thing was covered in grease. And the grease ended up turning into a real sticky mess that made everything get stuck. So what I did was I took this item, the lock cylinder, this item, and this item, and I dropped it all into a cup full of rubbing alcohol for overnight. And that ended up cleaning all the crap off. So now I gotta put this back together. Okay. Now I gotta remember which way it goes. I think that's lock. No? No, yeah. Oh, there we go. Well, I gotta put this back on. Which can only go in one way. Which way? Ah, okay. Well, I'm not like these. Come on. There we go. No? I gotta turn it around then. There we go. Yeah, it's in. There we go. So now if it's locked. And this is spring loaded, so you can put it back into the item. So I gotta double check I got this in the right way. Now this, I'm just gonna show it on this one so you can see. This can only go in one way. Now if we turn it around, there we go. That's the way it should be. See, now it actually works. So now I gotta get this out of here again, but it's no biggie because see, with the spring loaded action, so we just lift up on this. There you go. Now we need a new one. This part number is not listed by Toyota. It's amazing that I found it. This is the actual sub-assembly for the glove box. Here it is, the whole handle. But now we need the glove box. Here's the glove box. So we got some ball connections here. You see the ball sticking out there? And then here's another one right here. So this goes a specific way, which means it's got to go this way. So let me feel, yeah, okay. So what I got to do is like that. Okay, now this has got to go into the hole. There we go. Okay, so now if I lift this up, that should pull in. If I do it on this side, there you go. Now we got that put in there. Now we got one last thing to put in. The lock. Remember, the lock can only go in one way. That should be unlocked. That should... Now if I take this and turn it that way, this shouldn't turn. Yep, look at that. And it turns. Now I can put it back in. Thank you for watching. This is 80 for Hachi signing off.